a person is emotionally abusing you, how? Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. How do you know if a person emotionally abusing you, controlling? You know, they use guilt to control you. They use gaslighting and confusion to keep you off balance. They make passive, aggressive, underhanded, insidious remarks. They say something nasty, then they say they are joking. They make you feel sorry for them so they could get something from you. They poke and prod till you get angry. Then they blame you for getting angry. They give you the silent treatment. If you don't do what they want, or there is a perceived hurt, they find a way to punish you. They insidiously put you down to make you feel inadequate. You know, you should know, it's so important. Covert narcissists use these methods of manipulation the most. Be very careful. Okay? Dear Unique, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, like and share it with someone you think that person should listen to this video or see or watch this video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Dear Unique, always remember, there is only one you, okay? Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Amira Rani